Today, we're breaking down something that's been blowing up online, ChatGPT. You've probably seen it writing emails, answering questions, even passing exams. But the big question is, how does ChatGPT actually work? And no, we're not diving into scary math or computer science jargon. Let me explain it in a way that just makes sense. Imagine ChatGPT as a super intelligent parrot that's read almost everything on the internet, books, websites, Reddit posts, you name it. But unlike a regular parrot, it doesn't just repeat words. It understands patterns in how people talk and write. When you ask it a question, it's not pulling a fact from a database. It's predicting, one word at a time, what probably comes next, kind of like supercharged autocomplete. So if you type, "How do I make pancakes?" ChatGPT looks at all the examples it's ever seen of that question online and starts guessing the answer. Word by word, based on patterns it learned. That's why it sounds so natural. It's learned from millions of real conversations. Now, here's the cool part. ChatGPT doesn't think like a human. It doesn't know what a pancake tastes like or what a stove is. It's just really, really good at recognizing language patterns. You ask. It predicts. Fast. So how did it get this smart? OpenAI trained it on an enormous amount of text, like, basically the entire internet. It went through billions of sentences, trying to learn how humans talk. And then it improved itself by practicing conversations over and over, sometimes with human feedback saying, "Hey, this answer makes more sense," or "That one's wrong, try again." That feedback helped it learn how to be more helpful, more accurate, and less weird. But heads up, it's not perfect. Sometimes it makes things up. That's called a hallucination. It can also give outdated info, because it doesn't always know what's happening right now unless connected to live data. So while it feels super smart, it's not conscious, and it doesn't have opinions or emotions. It's a tool, a really powerful one. So next time you use ChatGPT to write a caption, do your homework, or plan your vacation, just remember, it's not magic. It's machine learning. And now, you understand how it works. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Tech Explained Simply, and let me know what you want me to explain next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.